तो घर पूरा बादल में बना हुआ है।
शायद मैं दूसरा बात निकलता है इसलिए बोल जाता हूँ।
स्कूटी फंस रहे। ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे घर पूरा बादल में बना हुआ है।
चलते चलते हम जैसे पंजाब पहुँचे तो देख सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों देखिए चलते
पापा पापा Eek. Wir sind wieder Podcast. कैसे करेगा इसको? तेरा इमो घर का हालत तो खराब हो चुका है। एवो
It's been raining for quite long. और देखो
सीजनल रेनफॉल भी आ गया है। सीजनल वाटरफॉल।
I got ridiculously dark. My nails are all gone, and I got 3 shades tanner than my original skin tone. And what I have to basically say is, during my student era, people around me, obviously, to student most commonly ask that what does your parents do? So my father is a multi-talented human being. So I conveniently tell people that my father is a businessman or he's whatnot. But sometimes I also added like he is farmer. But he never did that. You can safely say that my mother was farmer, but she used to work into farms like full time and also some many more. But my father never did so. But he was basically, I think, a businessman. I conveniently spoke about his occupation. But today, it's safe to say that I am a daughter of farmer. News 3 days I have been working into the farm, which is not actually a farm. It is just a kitchen gardening kind of. But they too in the countryside, so I would consider it as a farm. People must be thinking I'm crazy and I am flexing just by working 3 days. But I think over the years, I have lost the energy and strength of working in such a bright sunlight and such a long hours. But then I did it by today. I am a complete lever. I am basically officially a graduate lever of my parents. Yes. And yes, I look ridiculously dark, ridiculously bad. I look absolutely not really presentable. But guess what? It's winter. Oh, sorry. I would just say, guess what? I'm just going to take bath. And now you would think that why is it a big deal? कि नहाना कौन सी बड़ा बात है? It's like May, and May is supposed to be warmer, right? But मैं हूँ हिमालयन का end पे, which is also mean that यहाँ पे in 24 months, basically 8 months is considered as winter because rest of the month are rainy and also windy. So basically it's cold and it's only 18 degrees Celsius. I know it's not the degree which can cause you like freezing, but it's still cold. I still sleep with a blanket on and a sweater while moving out. So for people those who are sitting beneath the fan and asking them what's so big deal? So it's big deal, bro. It's 18 degrees Celsius. Also, it's windy. This area and this area was dirt, which I have eventually washed it out. So everything is done and dusted. So I didn't feel like one. But now that I look completely gawar from Gaon, I just miss my glamour era. so I'm just gonna take a bath and meet you then.
I realized that my younger sister is taking part, so we got only one washroom in the house, so I just need to wait for some time. Till then, I'll just get ready with my all the stuff, bathing stuff. I did my jumpy yesterday, so basically I'm all set to take a bath, but I just need to get my towel and take a bath.